Welcome back at BartlikBartlik channel, and for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more construction basic knowledge, and please continue to share, like and comment. Today we are going to carry on with our foundations topic, and we had discussed the types of foundation and the classification of foundations. Under classification of foundations, we said we have got shallow foundations and deep foundations. And today we are going to discuss one of the shallow foundations, and this is strip foundation. So what is a strip foundation? A strip foundation is a type of shallow foundation that consists of a long and narrow footing that supports a load-bearing wall. As you can see in the illustration, that is what we mean by strip footing. I have said that a strip foundation is a type of shallow foundation that consists of a long and narrow footing that supports a load-bearing wall. So strip foundation, it is typically used for small to medium size structures that have relatively low loads. So strip foundations distribute the weight of the wall over a large area of soil. That is reducing the pressure on the underlying soil and ensuring that the structure is stable. So that is what we mean by strip footing, and that is the definition of strip footing. So under strip footing, we have got types of strip footing, and under types of strip footing, we have what we call trench fill foundation. A trench fill foundation, this is a type of strip footing whereby the trench fill foundations, they are continuous concrete strips that fill the entire trench excavation. They are typically used in areas where the soil is stable and can support the weight of the structure. So that is type number one, that is under strip footing. It is called the trench fill foundation. And then number two, that is under strip foundation, we have got the stepped foundation. Stepped strip foundation. So these stepped foundations, they are similar to the trench fill foundations, but the only difference is that they have steps or levels that follow the contours of the ground. So like for example, when you are doing a perimeter wall, and this perimeter wall is on a slopy ground, or even when you are doing a building and this building is on a slope, so your strip foundation that you are going to use, because the terrain is on a slope, you are going to use the stepped strip foundation, because the terrain of the ground is on a slope. So that is type number two under strip foundation. It is called the stepped foundation. So those are the two types of foundations that is under strip foundation. I've said we have got the trench fill foundation, and the trench fill foundation, trench fill foundations are continuous concrete strips that fill the entire trench excavation. They fill the entire trench excavation. So they are typically used in areas where the soil is stable and can support the weight of the structure. So that is type number one of strip foundation under strip footing. It is called trench fill foundation. Number two, I've said, is the stepped foundation. And the stepped foundation, it is used mostly where we have got the slopes, or where the terrain is slopy. So that is the discussion under strip foundation. And again, I'll repeat to show you the illustration of the strip foundation. So this is the trench fill foundation, and this is the stepped foundation. So these two foundations, both of them, they fall under strip foundation. So it's only that one, it is the trench fill foundation under strip foundation, And the second illustration is the stepped foundation under strip foundation. In the next video, we will discuss another type of foundation under shallow foundation classification. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share.